In this video, we'll be turning my MINI Clubman S 4-wheel drive into a 4-wheel drive off-road monster. Full lift kit, bigger tires, new rims. Before you begin the video, please just check to make sure you're subscribed, as it really helps out the channel, and make sure we can continue stuff like this in the future. In this video, we have some amazing stuff planned, so stay tuned. My name is Ethan, and welcome to Car Creations. It's early. Let's get everything loaded and get to the shop. Alright, so before we start the build, we have to gather all the parts. Today we're going to be putting 3 things on: OZ rally rims, and then we're going to put on a 2.5-inch lift from M7 Speed Racing, and then finally we're going to get some Nokian Hakkapeliitta 9 tires from Cal Tire, and we'll be getting those installed as well. And being Canada, we live a long way from anything important, so it's a little bit of a drive, but we'll catch up when we're there. But meanwhile, look at the scenery. It's just beautiful here. One of my favorite things about BC is the amazing mountains here. Especially right now with, you can see the snow line so close, and it shows that just a little while we're gonna get a whole dump of snow. Right there, look at that. Isn't that just beautiful? All right, hopefully the ducks aren't too loud, but there's a few of them. So where I am today is a place called Salmon Arm, and this is Shoe Shop Lake, and it's actually quite big. So while I'm waiting for my appointment to start, I thought I'd talk a little bit about the type of rims I'm gonna get. So I ended up getting the OZ Rally rims, which are made in Italy, and they harken back to the rally rims of the 1990s and early 2000s. So I thought those were pretty cool, and also they're actual rally rims. They're super durable and they look amazing. Everyone's gonna really like them. I spent a long time trying to find the right ones. Like, I've looked at off-roading ones, I looked at all sorts of things, but it's very hard to try to find rims that fit this car that aren't just racing ones or something like that. It's gonna start in about 20 minutes, but I might just go walk out along the dock and just see what's out there. Alright, there we go, it's here. So I'm at Cal Tire, and they do any one of your brakes, tires, lift kits, suspension parts, anything like that. So I'll be back here in 7 hours. Alright, let's talk about the lift kit. What we ended up getting was a 2.5-inch lift kit by M7 Speed. So you normally see something like this lift kit on the Countryman, but I wanted to do something different because a lot of people lift their Countryman. So I ended up getting a Clubman S, all 4, and we put it on this. So this still has some kinks to get worked out. For example, it's bumping and it sounds like screechy plastic, and then also this front, it's like squealing a little bit. So I don't know, you might hear that in the recording. If you do, I'm sorry. But I'm going in next Saturday, so hopefully fixing that. And then they also, for some reason, they couldn't get the camber right. So they're getting a tool and they're gonna fix that too. So hopefully by next week it should be all good. So the kit came with spacers, and then sway bar links, and extenders for the control arms, I think it is. And with that equipment, it makes it so not only do you have the extra height, but it also helps with make sure your car has the factory ride. As you can see, it's just as bumpy as normal. So it definitely still has that factory, nice firm ride. Still good in corners. It still handles amazingly. I'm actually overall super impressed with it. I added thicker tires, as you saw. That has helped the ride out a little bit and made it a little bit softer, but it's still pretty firm. If you want this on your car, the same kit works on the F60 Countryman's 2017 to 2020 Countryman. It works on the F54 Clubman, so the 2016 to 2020 Clubman, and then it works on the newer X1. If I roll down the window, you can hear the studs on the road. It's super loud. That's the problem with studded tires. If you want us to go in more depth on the price of the kit itself and basically all the inner workings of the kit, as well as how much it all costs altogether, installation and all that, let us know and we can definitely do that in the future. All right, I think this car actually looks amazing. Like, we still have some stuff to add because I want to get some lights on the front, maybe some sort of skid bar. Is that what it's called? Bull bar, roof rack. Let us know in the comments what we should add to it. But oh my goodness, it looks amazing. Big, nice, chunky tires. They have to be winters, so we'll get chunkier ones for the summer. The beautiful OZ racing rims. Carbon fiber center caps. Yeah, carbon fiber center caps. Yeah, so much. I am super happy with it, and would definitely recommend to anyone that wants to do it, just go ahead and do it. I did notice though that when they're putting the new tires on, they have different valve stem caps on all four corners. See, oh really? This one here, just like the regular old one there, but you get to the back here. This is off of some other car that says it requires the nitrogen air specifically, which is just regular air because there's 70% nitrogen anyway. But yeah, all four of the caps are different. Do you think it's possible that maybe it didn't come with rims? So they just got whatever they had around in the shop? Oh, normally, again, from tire shop, they put a new valve stem in each one, and each valve stem has its cap on it anyway. Okay. So they probably just sitting in a little tray and grabbed one, threw it on. You worked there, so you wouldn't know. So yeah, we have to fix this bumping noise from back here. I don't think it should be that hard. And then also the scrape from the front. What did you think it was? It was like on brake? The sounds on the front, the squeaking sound sounds like the backing plate for the brakes. Oh, okay, yeah. Sounds like it's scraping against something. And on the back here, it sounds like it's coming from somewhere up high. So it might be the top attachment, because where they put the block in, the 2-inch block, 2.5-inch block was at the top of it. So something's awry. I think that's the word. One of my favorite things is its stance. Like, look at that. Can't wait to take it off-roading. The thickness of those tires is like spectacular. When we were back last night after we picked it up, like Ethan passed me on the highway and like it just looks so cool. It's already a pretty like thick car. Yeah, so what helped it get thicker was that these rims themselves, they go past quite a bit, and then when we got the tire, it kind of just fit it perfectly. We might have to get the tread doesn't go past, we'll have to look up. We might have to get a little bit of a fender flare to go around the top, just so that it doesn't poke out, and so we don't get dirt and gravel up there, as well as some cool mud flaps. Some cool mud flaps to go on the back there. Yeah. All right, that's everything. It looks amazing, and we're gonna have plenty of content in the future with it. We have lots planned. I want to get Union Jack lights on the back. I want to upgrade my entertainment system probably. So we'll see. Yeah, this build's just getting started. This is just the starting of it. So stay tuned, subscribe, like, comment what you want us to do with it. Honestly, we're open to anything. This has been a fun build, and we're looking at ideas for future builds. So let us know what would be a good idea for that too. We hope you enjoyed this video, and we'll see you all in the next one. In this video, we'll be turning my MINI Clubman 4-wheel drive Cooper S into a... In this video, we'll be turning my Clubman S. In this video, we'll be turning my MINI Cooper Clubman S into a four-wheel drive off-road monster.